Welcome back to Life in Details. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Sterling. Today we're diving into a heavy topic: how to survive the loss of reputation.
Right, and specifically we're focusing on the sub-theme, I was hounded on social networks.
It's something many people face, and the impact can be devastating.
Absolutely. I mean, just think about how quickly a rumor can spread online.
Or how one mistake can lead to an avalanche of negative comments. I remember a friend of mine got dragged through the mud for a misunderstanding.
That's tough. It's like you're suddenly public enemy number one. What did he do to cope?
He took a step back from social media, which I think is a crucial strategy. Sometimes you just need that space to breathe.
Definitely. And what about rebuilding his reputation?
He started sharing their side of the story, focusing on transparency. It wasn't easy, but it helped.
That's a good point. Sharing your truth can be powerful. Have you experienced anything similar?
I have. A few years back, I faced some backlash over a misinterpreted post.
Oh, I remember that. And how did you deal with it?
I felt overwhelmed at first, but decided to address it directly. I posted an apology and explained my intent.
That's brave. It's not easy to put yourself out there like that.
It's all about owning your narrative, right? And I learned to engage positively with my supporters.
Engaging with your supporters can make a huge difference. Did you find it helped rebuild your reputation?
Absolutely. It created a community around understanding and support rather than shame.
And that's a great takeaway for our listeners. Surround yourself with positive influences.
Exactly, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if the emotional weight feels too heavy.
For sure. Mental health is crucial, especially in these situations.
We've had listeners share their stories too, and I think it's important to highlight those.
Yes. One listener talked about losing a job due to public scrutiny and how they rebuilt their life step by step.
It's amazing how resilience can emerge from such dark times.
Couldn't agree more. If you're in this situation, remember, it's not the end of your story.
Right. Keep moving forward, and don't forget to build the support network.
And as we wrap up, if you enjoyed today's conversation, please subscribe to our channel. We have many more interesting stories waiting for you.
Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, keep your heads up